Hi guys, good evening to everyone. Today we will learn how to create a workspace. So let's start our topic, how to create a workspace. When you install in Oracle Apex, when you install Oracle Apex, you need to as a specific workspace on which you will work on for your project or for your work. In a single Oracle database, you can create multi workspace, but at the default when you install workspace, when you install oracle apex by default assign you a admin workspace. At the when you log on from admin workspace, you can create a multi workspace from your multi workspace for your work, for your test purpose, for your work, for your project. Every workspace assign your database users, you can say your schemas. So let's start. We will we would connect from Oracle provided in a Oracle provided workspace. As you can see here screen, my login screen Oracle Apex. Uh, in our last video, or in my previous video, you can see how to install Oracle Apex on 11G, or you can say on 12C, or you can say on that pluggable database. Okay, let's start. We type just, if we want to log in by default Oracle Apex provided workspace. So you type here internal, INTERNAL, internal. Type username ADMIN. This internal workspace name and username is by default. And paste here, enter here your default password which you wrote during installation of Oracle Apex. Just press sign in. Here you can see Here you can see admin console in front of you. We can create our workspace from right side, right the top of the button. Press create workspace. Press blue button. Workspace, any name which you want create. I want create workspace name like ORACL, Oracle underscore APEX. Okay, this you can see there. This is a which field represented, showing with static. This is a compulsory field, uh, but remaining field are optional. So just press next. Here most here you can see, are you here we can select here, are you connect with the existing schema or not. I'm saying yes, yes or not. If I connect yes, then we press here, then we can select who we can select user or schemas which you created in Oracle database. That schemas list showing here. Okay, I am just pressing yes. Test password. If I press no, you can say you create here your own schemas. I press no, you can type any schema name which you want and schema password which you want. Next, schema already here. We press test 1. Test 1. Just press next. Here is a administrator name. Administrator name, you can select any administrator name. Here administrator password, your administrator workspace password and workspace. Here you can press test 1. You can select any. I'm press new password. TES test 1. Type any email or dummy email. ali.akbar@gmail.com. Okay, press next. This information you can see Oracle workspace name Oracle Apex and username test1 administrator information. This information you would use during Oracle Apex login. Okay, create workspace. This may be take some minutes or some seconds, depend on your system resource. Done. You can see here you are logged with the admin user and workspace internal. I'm sign out here. Return page. I put here my Oracle Apex is my Oracle Apex workspace name which we created here now. ORACLEAPEX. Password, username we wrote there test1 and test1 password. You can sign in, press in ORACLEAPEX test1. You can see here when you log in first time, then Oracle Apex recommended you change your password. You can see here my user showing here current password, new password, confirm password. My current password was apply changing. Now here you can see we are logging with the test1 or Oracle workspace and Oracle Apex role as administrator. Okay, so guys, this is our tutorial how can you create one workspace in Oracle Apex. Thank you for watching. Thank you for connected. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe my channel for more video. I would upload my project based video on my channel UIs.